Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another episode of Etsy tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Etsy products onto your Facebook page. If this is your first time at my YouTube channel, welcome. I am Nancy and I am a digital marketing specialist. On my channel, I post weekly videos on how to build a thriving business on Etsy. You will learn how to market your shop by utilizing best practices such as SEO, branding, social media. So make sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. So the first thing that you need in order to start adding your products to your Facebook page is that you need a business page. So I'm going to go to my business page because right now I don't have a current Facebook page for my Etsy shop. So I'm going to go to my business page, which is this one. So as of right now, you're going to see this little call to action that I have here is blue. And this call to action, when you click on it, it takes people to my actual website at nancybadillo.com. However, today, for purposes of doing this tutorial, I'm going to change this so it could potentially land on my Etsy shop. So how do you do this? So the first thing you want to do is depending on what you have here, if you already have a button, you want to switch it. But if you don't have anything, it's going to tell you add button. So just go ahead and click on it, whether it's add or edit. I'm going to press edit because I already had one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, oops. So I'm going to go ahead and edit button, right? Or let's go ahead and delete it. That way I can start from scratch and you can kind of see what I'm saying. So this is what you're going to see if you haven't added anything. It's going to say add a button so people can take action from your page. So you're going to go ahead and add one. And from here, it's going to ask you to pick one of these options. Mine was picked already because I already had learn more and it will take them to my website. So for you, when you add a button, it's going to take you directly here. It's not going to route you the other way. So from here, you're going to select shop with, and then right here, you're going to select shop now. So that's the one that you want to click on. Once you click there, you're going to click next. And it's going to ask you shop on your page. So you want to make sure that you do that. You click there. And you don't have to change the configuration here. You just leave it alone how it is. So just go ahead and press finish. So now it's going to say shop now. So now what you want to do is you're going to get a little tab now. The shop button is going to pop up over here. So what you want to do now is you want to click on shop. And it's going to say welcome to your shop. So right here you could put like a little short description of what you sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my Etsy shop. I'm just going to take my tagline, marketing resources for entrepreneurs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put here, marketing resources for entrepreneurs. Obviously, you can make it a little bit longer. They give you 162 characters, so make sure that you use the whole entire space because the more information you add, the more potential somebody buying from you. So you put a little description of your shop and what you sell. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and add a product. Now, what you're going to do is you could either add videos also, which is nice, which on Etsy doesn't allow you to do. And you can add a photo. So what I did was I took this photo here. And all I did was I simply dragged it to my desktop. I already have it here saved. So I'm going to advertise this logo on my Facebook page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the photo. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to drag it. And I'm going to say use this photo, right? You could do multiple photos. So if you want to do like a second photo, it's really nice because you could do that. So let's go ahead and add this photo as the second option here. So I'm going to go back to the Facebook page. And I'm going to add photo. And then I'm going to drag this one in there. Use photo. I would say, the more photos you can add of whatever product or listing that you're selling, the better the chances of you making a sale. So if you could add a good 4 photos, I think is a good start. If you only have 1 photo and that's all you could do, that's fine. But the more, the better, because then the person could see the product in different ways. Once you add the photos, it's kind of like a listing on Etsy. You just got to follow the steps little by step by step. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select. I'm gonna say pre-made branding logo. So I'm just gonna you could do the title that you already have on Etsy or create one. I'm gonna put pre-made branding logo for your business. And then this logo I sell for $17. If you have it on sale, it's really nice because you could put regular price 17 and then you could put, let's say, 13. And it's really cool to be able to do that. I'm going to keep mine as regular price 17 and then just write a description. Now you can use the description that you already have in your listing description, or you could just make one to write right here. I'm going to use the one I already have. Now, checkout URL, you're going to put the URL of that particular listing. So you're going to go up here, and this is the URL that's attached to this actual logo. So you're going to copy that, and you're going to paste it right here. Then you're going to turn it on to share this product on your page once it has been approved. Now, do keep in mind that the product could take up to 24 hours for it to appear on your Facebook. What happens is that Facebook has to review it and make sure that it complies with their terms and regulations, that you have a photo, that the actual product that you're selling on Facebook, when the person clicks on it, is landing to the actual product that you sell on Etsy, that all the photos go hand in hand, that you filled out the pricing, you filled out the link. So they do check them before they approve. Now, the nice thing is that once you have been approved, they go automatically. So you don't have to wait about having to redo it again or anything. It automatically show up and you'll have a notification. So just make sure that anytime you add a product to your shop, that you pay attention to the bell, and that usually gives you a notification of any changes or anything in your shop. Now, from here on, when you have products here, the nice thing about it is that when somebody is browsing your business store and you have, or your business Facebook page, so you have regular postings here. So it will show as that you share a product. So this is a new product that you share. And it's going to have like a little slideshow where they could either click on it to kind of get a closer view. They could kind of see the product. They'll be able to read the product detail, the description of it. Mine's got approved right away, and that's why you see it here. So once you see it there, all you have to do technically is the person that's seeing it, all they will have to do is click on buy, and then it will take them to the Etsy shop. So it's going to take them to the actual listing that you put, which is this one, and then they could add it to their cart and they could buy the product from you. And this is how you you could build like a product catalog on your actual Etsy shop. And the way that they would be able to shop is either by seeing your latest posts and kind of browsing through there, or they could click on shop, and then it's going to automatically take them to this section where all your products will be listed. Now, right now, you only see one product because that's the only one that I have put there. But once you fill this up as well, let's say you add like your top 20 items. What you could do is share shop with other potential people so they could get a notification. And this is where you come in here and you could improve your shop. You could delete your shop if you need to delete it. And this is basically giving you different things that you could do to improve it's almost like best practices for your shop in order to get your shop out there, build credibility with other people, worthiness, and how to manage your Etsy products in your Facebook page. But it's a very nice feature that you could add, especially if you are running like Facebook ads or you're boosting all the time. When you're boosting a post and people are visually active on your page, they'll be able to go ahead and click on shop and kind of view your items. Another way that I made a tutorial is having a Etsy store tab. Now, the only thing with this is that you must have at least 2,000 followers in order to be able to go ahead and do this particular way, which is adding. You just basically put the name of your shop and it pulls all the products automatically, that there's nothing else you have to do, which is a nice feature. However, in order to do this, you do have to have over 2,000 likes. So if you don't have 2,000 likes, this is the alternative way to add products to your shop, to your Facebook page, and have people shop, browse through the products, and if they want to buy, click and go directly to your Etsy shop and buy from you. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, leave a comment below. Let me know within the next 24 hours if you plan to add this, if you already have this added, any tips that maybe I didn't include in this video. But I hope that this is very useful. I think it's a really great idea to showcase all your products in here. So make sure that you go ahead and do it and add as many products as you can. Even if you were to do like your top sellers, I think that's a great way to start with. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure you leave me a comment below and make sure to like this video. Thank you, and until the next one, have a great night.